everyone. Over the past month, the smartphone world has been buzzing non-stop. Just as the excitement around all those camera-focused flagships started to cool down, the performance powerhouses began rolling in. And today, we're diving into our experience with the OnePlus Ace 6T, a phone that's also gearing up for its global debut as the OnePlus 15R on December 17th. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Mickey from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. The OnePlus Ace 6T is powered by the brand new Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor, built on the same flagship-level TSMC M3P process, and on top of that, OnePlus has included its own custom cooling system to keep everything running smoothly. So let's jump straight into the gaming tests. Starting with 30 minutes of Honor of Kings at 120 FPS with maxed out graphics. The frame rate stays locked in like a ruler, super steady and smooth. Temperatures and power consumption stay nicely under control too, which is always impressive. Pushing things further, we ran 30 minutes of native gameplay at 60 FPS with the highest settings. The results? Another flawless frame rate graph. Temperatures remain normal, gameplay feels great, and the total power draw is just 5.4 watts. We also tested a newer game that currently tops out at 763p. Over 30 minutes at 60 FPS on max settings, it averaged 59.3 FP. Overall fluidity is solid and temperature and power management continue to perform well. From these results, it's clear the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 packs serious punch, and the OnePlus Ace 6T delivers impressive gaming performance across the board. Beyond the processor, the Ace 6T stands out with its 165Hz display, something you rarely see in this segment. Compared to the typical 120Hz screens, this one offers even smoother visuals and quicker touch response while gaming. Even better, the Ace 6T supports a wide lineup of native 165 FPS titles covering FPS, MOBA, fighting, racing, and rhythm games. And in FPS titles specifically, aside from Crossfire, Call of Duty, and Delta Force, the phone brings the first native 165 FPS mode for PUBG Mobile. Looking at the test numbers, with smooth graphics settings, PUBG Mobile averaged 163.8 FPS over 30 minutes, dipping only to 158.9 FPS at its lowest. The graph is practically a straight line, putting this phone well ahead of its rivals. Power consumption hovers around 6 watts, and the device only gets mildly warm. The overall experience is excellent. Just note that these PUBG Mobile 165 FPS results are from an early access version, so the official rollout will depend on the game's update schedule. We also tested Delta Force at 165 FPS on smooth graphics. Over 30 minutes, it averaged 164.6 FPS, again, a perfectly steady line. For competitive FPS players, that kind of stability feels like a built-in hardware advantage. And for casual gamers who simply want silky smooth high frame rate gameplay, the Ace 6T fits perfectly. The gaming assistant on this phone also adds a lot of helpful features. You'll find tools like game idling, screencasting, elite startup, and handy automation in Genshin Impact, including auto feeding, auto debuff removal, and even map navigation lock. Now about the display itself, the 165Hz flat panel measures 6.8 inches and has slim bezels on 3 sides. It uses LTPS circuit technology, which helps deliver strong image quality. Touch response is fast, colors look pleasing, and text appears crisp. We measured around 750 nits of manual brightness, about 150 nits automatically, and over 1700 nits in the Gallery app, right in line with modern standards. For eye comfort, the screen uses DC dimming at medium to high brightness levels and switches to high-frequency PWM at lower brightness, supported by LTPS hardware advantages. There are also several helpful display features like eye blink reminders, distance alerts, a motion sickness touch indicator, rain touch optimization, and even a glove mode. The OnePlus Ace 6T comes with a huge 8300 mAh Glacier battery, and for the global version, the OnePlus 15R, you'll be getting a 7400 mAh unit. Even so, 8300 mAh is currently the biggest battery you'll find in any global performance flagship, which is honestly pretty impressive. In our standard battery endurance test, the phone lasted a full 10 hours, still holding 49% after 5.5 hours of mixed use. With numbers like that, it easily survives 2 full weekdays on a single charge, so battery anxiety basically disappears. It also supports up to 100-watt wired fast charging. Starting at 1%, the phone reaches 35% in the first 15 minutes. The initial few minutes aren't very aggressive, but once it kicks in, you get enough charge for half a day without a problem. A full charge takes around 57 minutes. The A6T also includes bypass charging during gaming, which helps reduce heat, minimize frame drops from overheating, and extend long-term battery health. Now let's talk design. The OnePlus A6T uses a metal frame with a clean matte finish glass back. The camera module follows OnePlus's signature metal cube design, and the logo sits right in the center. The whole style is minimal but premium, and the in-hand feel is solid with a nice texture. It comes in 3 color options, all quite eye-catching. My personal favorite is the green variant. The phone measures 8.3 millimeters in thickness, has a width of 77.1 millimeters, and weighs 217 grams. On the software side, it runs ColorOS 16, delivering smooth performance, a polished interface, and refined animations. It's easily one of the top-performing systems right now, with frequent updates that continuously add new features. The newly added seamless animations flow even better than standard ones, and the number of supported interactions keeps expanding. Some real-time blurring effects are slightly simplified compared to the digital series. For example, the control center, volume interface, and wallpaper transitions don't use real-time blur. But overall, the system features are very complete, and the AI tools are a major highlight. The one-tap flash functions, both hardware and software, are still fully available, making browsing, watching videos, giving voice commands, and even doing quick accounting super convenient. Features like short videos, short memory, AI writing, and content hubs also come in handy. When it comes to cameras, the OnePlus A6T includes a 50 megapixel main shooter and an 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens. The image quality is solid, and the 2x zoom holds up well for everyday photography. I especially recommend trying the neon film filter. It works great in different scenes and gives photos nice color and atmosphere. Video recording supports up to 4K at 120 FPS, and the updated zoom curve feels smooth and natural. The built-in photo editing tools are also packed with features like AI-inspired creation, AI portrait lighting, and AI live slow motion, making the experience both fun and practical. For durability, the OnePlus Ace 6T is rated IP66, IP68, IP69, and even IP69K, so it's extremely tough against water and shocks. It comes with an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor with excellent accuracy, plus stereo speakers and an X-axis linear motor. Pricing starts at 2,399 yuan in China, which is roughly 255 pounds in the UK or around $340 in the US. To wrap it up, the OnePlus Ace 6T is a very strong contender in the performance gaming category. The new Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 delivers serious power, and the 165Hz display plus 165 FPS game support give it a clear competitive edge. For FPS players, it's honestly one of the best choices right now. The giant 8300 mAh battery sets a new standard for performance phones and offers extended gaming time. The system is smooth, the cameras are dependable, and the overall hardware package feels complete, with no major drawbacks. It's genuinely a fresh and exciting pick among performance flagships. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.